how to log in to Disney Plus account. So if you want to log in to Disney Plus account, then first of all, you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply go for the search bar and then search for Disney Plus login. And after that, here you will have Disney Plus logins. So what you can do is you can simply choose any one of that search. So unfortunately, I don't have Disney Plus in my region. So what you can do is you will have an interface of logging in. So you can simply tap on login. You will have to enter your email address and then you have to enter your password. So here it says that Disney Plus account sign in needs your email address and then your password to log in. So after entering your email and then your password, same like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all of that, same like the other social media accounts, you have to enter your email and password of your Disney Plus account. And after entering that, your Disney Plus will be logged in. So it's simple, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.